Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add rulers and guides on Canva. So the first step is to open your project. Then from here you should see the option File at the top of your screen. Click on it, and under File go to Settings, and you should see the option Show Rulers and Guides, so select that as well. And then from here you should see your rulers, and if you wanted to add guides, then hover over a ruler, then drag all the way down onto your project. Then you should see a guide has been added onto your screen. So you can add as many guides as you want. It's up to you. You can even add a vertical guide like that. So if you wish to remove the guides, then you can just drag them to the top or to the sides of the screen, and the guides will be removed very easily. Another way you can add guides is by going to File, Settings, and then you should see the option Add Guides. Click on it. Then you can see there's guides that are already given to you in 12 columns, 3 columns, or a 3x3 guide. Or you can custom create your own guides and columns by inputting in how many rows and how many columns you want, as well as the gap between each of them and a margin for each of them as well. Then when you're finished with your customization, click Add Guides, and you should see they've been added onto your project. To clear the guides, go back to File, Settings, Clear Guides, and they'll be removed from your screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.